What's good, guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today we are looking for some pieces at the thrift store to specifically DIY. Let's get into the video. We are here at the thrift store, obviously. I have really been in this DIY mood. I want to DIY everything. So many things have been coming up on my Instagram reels, my Pinterest boards. Like, I really want to be doing this stuff. Kind of what I'm looking for mainly is basics to do fun DIYs too. I'm not looking for anything crazy, but I have some fun ideas that I can share with you guys. That's what I'm doing today. I'm really excited. Come with me to thrift some pieces to DIY.
Right off the bat, jeans, great to make pouches with. Actually, the pouches on my jacket, some of them are made with my black jeans. Then I was looking for a black oversized bag. I have a green oversized one. I really want a black one to do a little bit of a different DIY. This bag I thought was really cute. Could have been doing some DIYs, but it had a pretty good pattern, so I did leave that one. This bag I thought was pretty cool. Sometimes I just look at them and I'm like, is there potential there? Like this hat that I dropped. This is just a little bucket hat, but this could be so cute. It's just plain black, so many opportunities. This hat I just thought was cool. There's some Steve Madden shoes that look really similar to this that are pierced that I really want to recreate, but I want them in mesh. And I know it's possible because look, I found some in mesh. I think these were too big. They also, I don't know, I didn't really want a kitten heel for it. These shoes I just thought were really interesting. Just very interesting. Sometimes you can just make patches out of a graphic tee. This one's covered in zodiac signs, so it's kind of perfect. I can cut one out, sell them to each of my friends. It's a patch. It's great. Then I was looking for a tie. I really want to do this specific tie DIY where I cut it up, add safety pins and stuff like that. This right here. Here's my example. It is so cool, but I am really looking for a black tie for this.
I love when I come in here and I get the one with my sticker in it. I put that sticker for like years ago. It's still here. This is so funny. Yes. I got a bunch of stuff. First, I just got these leggings. I don't know if I want them. This would be to make initial shorts because I already have black and white striped ones, so it's like kind of feels similar. But this one's not for a DIY. I just kind of like the jacket. I said this is not for a DIY, but like it definitely could be. Like I could definitely put patches on the back and stuff like that. It's kind of comfy. And I like the colors. I have a lot of coats though. This one doesn't fit exactly the way I wanted it to. It's a little like loose. I saw someone do like a white corset with like a sword down the middle. That this would be really cool. It's actually a bodysuit. And sometimes I really like it. And it like pops out of my shorts like a little bit. And I thought it'd be cute because I don't have a white one, but this is just not fitting the way I had hoped. This was actually not for a DIY. I just kind of liked the little beading, and like on the rack I was like, it's like a mom top, but like low key. Why do I kind of like it?
Then for some reason I decided to stop talking, so here are the ideas and the inspiration for what I want to do with these pieces. Again, just an inspiration, not going to copy it exactly, but this I really want to put the stars. I really want to do the stars. Again, these are just ideas of what I'm looking to maybe do. Does not mean that is actually what's going to happen. Anything could happen.
This is an example of gem that I really wish I knew how to smoke because I like this cheetah. But I really want a cheetah like longer dress. It's halter neck, and this would be cute. It's got a cinched waist. It's got legs. It's not like if I knew how to sew. If I just knew how to sew. I just wanted to try this on because I think it's like a Dolls Kill brand, and it still has tags on it, and it actually fits me really well. Except the back is so short. Like you can see my shorts. It's also really tight on my butt. I don't hate it, but I'm not gonna buy it. This is large, so I was really testing waters here. Guess if it fit me, it would look like this. I don't think I would really love this fit either, but I like the flowiness of it. Something about it. There's something about it's off. I know it doesn't fit me, but I feel like it could, even if it was a little bit like a looser dress. Okay, another dress that doesn't fit me, but I kind of love. Like, it's really cute. I like that the ends are a little bit tattered. Like, I feel like I can make this cool. If I just like sewed that there, like just tacked it right there. Should I do it? we did good. Also, I didn't show it because I didn't bring it to the dressing room, but I got this camo hat. I guess it's an NASCAR. I like the big 3 on it though. I feel like it would be cool if I did distress this a little bit, put some grommets on it, make it a little more punk. I really like camo, so obviously I wanted a little camo hat. I haven't had a camo hat, so I'm excited. I just finished up at my second thrift store. I didn't really film that much because I feel like I filmed a decent amount in the other store, so I was like, okay. But I'll just show you what I got. Not anything crazy. I did get another green hat that looks pretty much exactly like the one that I DIY'd. So I'm either thinking, mine has like a shorter brim, which I don't love. So I'm either going to DIY this one and then keep this one and sell the other one, or I'll just DIY this and sell this. I really like this kind of hat. It's just cute. And then this is not, I don't really think I'm gonna do a DIY. Maybe I will, but this dress is just so cute. It's just a cute little baby doll dress, which I've been really liking on me. I love the gingham and I love it. It's so cute. Honestly, I could put patches on this. I think that could be really cool. I don't know, maybe I will find a DIY to do with this because I really like this. I think it's really cute. I honestly at first thought the back side was the front with a little v-neck. Like that would kind of be cute as the front. Like I wonder if I could wear it backwards. I don't know if because of the straps it'll look weird, or if I could cut down the front. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out, but I needed to buy it anyways because I thought it was so freaking cute. Oh, and then, oh look at this. I got this little cards charm. Like this is gonna look so cute if I can add it to something, like put it on a little chain or put it on my bag or put it on my hat. Like it's just really cute. So I thought that was fun. So like I said, didn't find too much, but I think overall, like with the store from earlier, I think I did find a good amount. There's that. Those are all the stuff I got. I'm really excited to DIY it. Please let me know down in the comments below if you would like to see my finished DIY haul at the end of the summer. I do need it to be the end of the summer because I need a deadline for sure. So please let me know if you'd like to see that. While you were down there, if you could press the like and subscribe button, that would be absolutely amazing. I love you guys so much, and I guess I will see you next week.